Hello there traders, this is Matt with Freedom Trade Group. It's September 7th, 2016, and in this video what I'd like to do is actually get into a live trade with you guys in the market. In one of my recent videos I talked about how you can day trade on a busy schedule, and I want to give you a prime example of what that looks like and walk you through a trade right now. So I was going through some charts here, I had just a little bit of time, and I saw what I liked on the daily chart. This is the British pound US dollar, okay? And if you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of time, let's say you caught a break, even a lunch break, a late lunch break, and you're coming at the close of the day, even though the Forex market is 24 hours a day, every day at 3 p.m. Mountain Time, the market officially closes and begins again. Even though it's continuous, they still have to have, at least on the books, a close to the day, right? So we're getting close. We've got, as you can see here, we've got an hour and 17 minutes until this day technically closes. And if you'll notice here on the daily chart on our majors and minors, we've got a fantastic trade setup. We're in the overbought region. Majors and minors are crossing in the same time frame. Pressure indicator, actually, if you've been following and going through our courses, you'll see there's what appears to be a signal of showing us some continuation on the downside. And then my TNT indicators are also showing me some downside pressure as well. So I'm just going to go in here right now, go into my trade account. I'm going to take a sell. There we go. So this green line right here tells us that we got in for a sell at this price. I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to show you the trade. There's a sell, British pound US dollar. I'm going to modify it right here. I'm going to put in my take profit. We're just going to go for 10 pips here. Okay, so 33.38 down to 33.28. That's 10 pips. Modify it there. You'll notice a red line just appeared. So what that means is when the market gets down to that red line, it's going to automatically pull me out for that profit of 10 pips. And in this scenario, that should give us a profit of about 150 bucks. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up there for now, and then I'll do a follow-up video as soon as this trade gets out and show you what the result looks like. Talk to you soon. Hello once again, everyone. I'm back to review the British pound US dollar trade that we went short on yesterday. And I've got it marked off on the charts here where we entered the trade and then where we exited the trade. Alright, so it turned out fantastic for us. $120 profit. I'm very pleased with that, you know, for what, just a couple of short minutes setting this up and taking it. I couldn't be happier. Actually, we got in another Aussie dollar trade as well that turned out great. But let's go back into the charts and take a review at what we saw. So once again, we were looking at the daily chart. We got this fantastic trade set up with our majors and minors in the overbought crossing, and notice that they actually were notifying us beforehand of that move in the market to the short side before it happened, right? So we fast forward. This is current live time, and you can see that there was plenty of room for us to get in and out of that trade, more than enough to get out safely. No questions asked. In fact, this morning, if I rewind back early this morning, I want to just highlight this confirmation in our 31 hour and 2 hour charts where we had a convergence or an agreement with our majors and minors, with our indicators, just there with a reassurance that we definitely have some selling going on in the market. Okay? So I hope this was helpful. Once again, I wanted to do this to highlight, especially for those of you who are busy with work, with family, extracurricular activities, church, whatever the case may be, that even with just a few minutes a day, you can still, with the use of these indicators, identify opportunities in the market to be profitable. Okay, and the whole idea is if you don't have time right now, that's the whole point of trading. So that eventually this will open the door for more freedom, more flexibility in your life. So I'm going to wrap it up there. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions or additional topics of interest, please feel free to enter those and submit them on our Contact Us page. We'll do our best to come out with some great content to help you out the best we can. Best of luck in your trading.